Tiny pores present on the surface of leaves through which gases exchange occurs are called stomata. The pores through which leaves exchange gases is stomata. They are small openings present on the inner surface of the leaves. Stomata can be opened and closed during night when no photosynthesis take place. The plant breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide through stomata. Green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment that gives plants their green color and it helps plants create their own food through photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. During photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy. Plants use the process called photosynthesis, which converts light energy or solar energy into chemical energy. With the help of photosynthesis, plants can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the existence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In this process, oxygen is released and glucose is produced. Glucose is either stored or converted into starch or it is used for respiration. The raw materials for photosynthesis are CO2, carbon dioxide. The raw materials of photosynthesis, water and carbon dioxide, enter the cells of the leaf. Oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis and water vapor exits the leaf. Which of the following class of organisms belongs to the saprotrophs? Fungi. Fungi are the saprotrophs. Saprophytes are the organisms which grow and depend on dead and decaying matter. Which of the following metals is present in the chlorophyll? Magnesium. Magnesium is located at the center of this pigment. Plants receive nutrients from soil. Soil is the main source of nutrients for plants because it is soil which contains humus, water, and minerals for the proper growth of the plant. The small pores present on the leaves are called stomata. Stomata are the small pores present on the leaves of the plants. It helps the plants in the exchange of gases and transpiration. In plants, most nutrients are absorbed through their root hairs. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The roots grow down into the soil and extract water and minerals to bring up to the plant. Components of food are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients are the substances that a body needs to live and grow. Organisms that live and derive food from others are called parasite. The organism live on or inside the body of other organisms and derive their food from them. Which one is saprophytic organism. Mushroom. Saprophytes feed on dead and decaying organisms. Algae and fungi live together in lichen. Lichens are not a single organism, but they are formed due to an association between the algae and fungi. Chlorophyll is found in oval-shaped structure called as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the organelles found in plant cells and eukaryotic algae that conduct photosynthesis. Chloroplast absorb sunlight and use it in conjunction with water and carbon dioxide gas to produce food for the plant. When two organisms are good friends and live together and they benefit each other, such an association of organisms is termed as symbiosis. When two organisms, such as fungus and algae, live as one and also help each other to survive, then this association is termed as symbiosis. Which bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into soluble form? Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium, a bacterium, they can take atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into a soluble form. They live in the roots of gram, peas, mung, beans, and other leguminous plant. Which gas released in the atmosphere creates a greenhouse effect, trapping the heat? Carbon dioxide. Excess amount of carbon dioxide is responsible for global warming. Which gas is used by the green plants to make their food? Carbon dioxide. What is the average height of the troposphere? 13 kilometer. The troposphere layer is the nearest to the Earth's surface. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer and ends about 50 km above the Earth's surface. Ozone is present abundant in the stratosphere. Ionosphere is a part of thermosphere. What was invented by Andreas Celsius? Thermometer. Degree of hotness and coldness of the air is called temperature. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. How ozone layer is important to us? Protect us from harmful rays. Which of the following is a nutrient? All of these: protein, fat, and vitamin. Nutrient is a necessity for human body to survive, grow, and reproduce. There are 6 major nutrients: vitamins, proteins, fats, water, minerals, and carbohydrates. Human beings can be categorized as Heterotrophs. Humans are heterotrophs. They cannot synthesize their own food and hence depend on other sources such as plants and animals for nutrition. The food making process in plants is called as photosynthesis. This process, called photosynthesis, produces food for the plant and release oxygen into the air.